Most financial advisors charge over $200 an hour. This AI does it for free. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take control of your finances without spending a dime. But first, let's dive into the revolutionary AI tools that are transforming personal finance. Today, we're counting down the top 7 AI tools that can replace traditional financial advisors, allowing you to save money and make smarter financial decisions. Whether it's budgeting, investing, or tax optimization, these tools are designed to help you manage your finances effectively. So, let's get started. The first tool on our list is Zeta is an AI-driven financial planning tool that customizes your budget based on your income, expenses, and financial goals. It analyzes your spending patterns and suggests actionable insights for a seamless experience. For instance, if you're spending too much on dining out, Zeta will recommend a budget adjustment to help you save more. Users have reported saving an average of $200 per month just by following Zeta recommendations. You can start using Zeta Recommend just by following Zeta's recommendations. You can start by signing up on their website and suggest actionable insights for better financial health. Next up is Wealthfront, a pioneering robo-advisor that offers automated investment strategies. Wealthfront uses algorithms to create a diversified portfolio tailored to your risk tolerance and investment goals. You can start investing with as little as $500, and they charge no advisory fees on balances under $1 million. This means you can grow your wealth without worrying about high management fees. In fact, Wealthfront's users have seen an average annual return of 6-7% over the past decade. To get started, simply answer a few questions about your financial situation, and Wealthfront will do the rest. Our third tool is Betterment. Betterment offers smart portfolio management using AI analytics to optimize your investment strategy. Their platform automatically rebalances your portfolio and reinvests dividends to maximize your returns. Betterment's advanced algorithms analyze market trends and adjust your investments accordingly, which is proven to increase returns by up to 1.5% annually compared to static portfolios. Moving on to our fourth tool, TurboTax. This AI-driven tax optimization software is designed to maximize your tax returns while minimizing your tax liabilities. TurboTax uses machine learning to analyze your financial data and identify deductions and credits you might overlook. On average, users save about $1,200 on their tax returns by utilizing TurboTax's optimization features. You can file your taxes for free if you qualify under their free taxes optimization features. Fifth on our list is Clio, an AI-driven personal finance chatbot that provides instant advice and budgeting tips. Clio makes managing your finances fun and easy by using a conversational interface. You can ask Clio questions like, "How much did I spend on groceries last month?" and receive immediate insights. Plus, Clio helps you set savings goals and track your progress. Users have reported saving an average of $100 monthly just by following Clio's recommendations. To get started, just download the Clio app and link your bank account for personalized feedback. The sixth tool is Koifin, an investment research platform that leverages AI to provide in-depth analysis of stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. Finally, we have Wanavich. You need a budget, an AI budgeting app designed to help you manage your finances effectively. Ianabi provides real-time tracking of your expenses and income, making it easier to stick to your budget. The app's unique approach encourages proactive budgeting, which users have found to be a game changer in their financial lives. Many Ianabi users report saving an average of $600 in their first 2 months alone. Many Yabby users report saving an average of $600 in their free trial. To recap, we've covered 7 amazing AI tools that are revolutionizing personal finance: Zeta for budgeting, Wealthfront and Betterment for investment management, TurboTax for tax optimization, Clio for instant financial advice, Koifin for investment research, and YNAB for effective budgeting. Each of these tools offers unique features that can help you take control of your finances without the hefty fees of traditional financial advisors. Make sure to check them out and see which works best. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you don't miss our weekly AI finance tips. We're here to help you make smarter financial decisions every step of the way. By leveraging these AI tools, you can gain financial independence and make informed decisions without the unnecessary costs of financial advisors. Start exploring these tools today and take charge of your financial future. Remember, the right technology can be your best financial advisor. Thank you for watching Smart Money AI, and we'll see you in the next video.